Good morning, students. Okay, I come back. I am your English teacher. Today I started fourth standard, chapter 3, the King CB and the two birds. And today part 3. Okay, part 3 of the story. So, in previous period I explained to you the King CB and the two birds. The one bird is the falcon bird and second is a pigeon. The falcon bird is a carnivorous bird, and the falcon bird want to eat the pigeon because the pigeon was affected. See, the pigeon cannot able to fly. So the falcon wanted to hurt the pigeon, but the King CB saved the pigeon's life, and the King CB asked the falcon, if you return of the pigeon's life, what you want? The falcon bird said, food is the first choice of every human being. It means the falcon bird want to the food. So when accepted the king his request, so then what happened? So then the falcon bird want to the king's body, some place of his body parts. So now start the part 3. Here CB at once, when the falcon wanted the food, CB at once ordered a balance to be bought. It means balance the days in both sides. So in one of his disease means both disease. In one disease, pigeon, the king CB put the pigeon, and second disease, pigeon, the king CB, in second disease, king CB put his body part. So in one of its disease, he placed the pigeon. What happened then? So then he got a chunk of flesh from his thigh with a sword and put it in the other dish. So when he cut a chunk of his flesh from his thigh, he put this body part into the second dish. And chunk, here new word is chunk. Chunk means a thick pieces. Okay, a thick piece. It's called chunk. CHUNK. So then he put, and then he checked the both dishes weight. But after check, he feel that the pigeon is huge, low, very low. So then again CB cut a larger chunk of flesh from his body. So then what happened? So then the pigeon still outweighed the flesh. It means first CB cut his body part and put in the dish. The pigeon balance is huge low. But in second time, again CB cut his flesh from his body and put it into this. So the pigeon's balance is more weighted. So then what happened? What is the meaning of divine? Divine. Divine means the related to the gods. Okay, related to gods. It's called divine. So divine music means this music is related to the God. So this music filled the air and also heaven showered a flower on the sea beach. Then the falcon and the pigeon disappear in their places. Stood Indra, the king of gods, and Agni, the god of fire. Then what happened? The falcon and the pigeon are not really not a bird, but they are gods. And the falcon is the Indra god, and the Indra is the king of gods, and the pigeon is Agni, the god of fire. So after the divine music filled in there, both birds are take their place. Okay. Then Indra said, "See, Agni and I came down from the heaven to taste you." After that, the Indra said, "See, I and Agni, all three are came down here from the heaven for taste you, and you have proved that you are most greater than the people think of, and you also you will life of full happiness." So then when Sibi wound and disappeared, because he listened these words are spoken by Indra. So what happened then? Sibi closed his eyes in humble, HMBL. Humble means modest. What is the meaning of humble? Modest. So then Sibi closed his eyes in humble prayer as the god vanished. Okay. Now I start the next topic of glossary and choose the correct option. Okay. Now first today I conclude the story. Now start the glossary. Here some glossary words like chunk, outweigh, divine, humble and fenistor. So now I explain the word. Chunk. C-H-U-N-K. Chunk means a thick solid piece. So my dear students, what is the meaning of chunk? A thick solid piece. Then outweigh. What is the spelling of outweigh? O-U-T-W-E-R-G-H-E-D. Outweighed means weighted more. Okay. So then divine. Third one is divine. D-I-V-I-N-E. Divine means related to gods. What is the meaning of divine? Related to gods. Humble. What is spelling of humble? H-U-M-B-L-E. Humble. And what is the meaning of humble? Modest. M-O-D-E-S-T. Modest. Humble, modest. Next word is vanish. V-A-N-I-S-H-E-D. So what is the meaning of vanish? Disappeared suddenly. It's called vanish. Okay. So this is Humble means modest. Vanish. V-A-N-I-S-H-E-T. Vanish means disappeared suddenly. Okay. So this is your glossary. Now I start the choose correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Okay. So let's start. King CP was famous for. Okay, this glossary is page number 16 and true false and choose the correct option is page number 70. Okay, so let's start choose correct answers. First is King CP was famous for. So why was King CP famous? So here three options. His hunting skills, second is kindness of birds, and third one is kindness and good governance. You guess it? What is the answer? So King CP was famous for his kindness and good governance. So what is the answer? C number. Okay, this is the answer. Second one. In return for pigeon's life, CP offered the falcon. So in return of pigeon's life, what CP offered the falcon bird? So here three options given. A 100 gold coins. B his kingdom. And C another pigeon. So in return for pigeon's life, CP offered the falcon his kingdom. Okay, right? Number third, the falcon and the pigeon were actually respectively gods. But which gods? Here three options A, B or C. A is Indra and Surya. B is Agni and Varuna. And third one is Indra and Agni. So the falcon is Indra and the pigeon is Agni. Okay, so answer is C. Indra and Agni. Okay, understand? Once again, King CP was famous for kindness and good governance. In return for pigeon's life, CP offered the falcon his kingdom. The falcon and the pigeon were actually respectively Indra and Agni. Okay, now I start the true and false. Say whether true or false. So first one is CP did not like falcons. So students, true and false? True. Because the falcon was. Why CP did not like falcons? Because the falcon was carnivorous bird. Okay, so CP did not like the falcons. Second one, the falcon was arguing intelligently. True or false? True. And number 3. Here intelligently because the falcon was having intelligently because when CP asked the falcon